こんばんは。 ForexTV ニューヨークのレミダス。4月2日水曜日の為替レポートニューヨークレビューをお伝えします。2日のアメリカ株式市場のダウ平均は反落しました。ダウ工業株30週平均は前日比45ドル44セント安の 12,361 ドル40セントで終えた。ナスダック総合株価指数は 1.35 ポイント安の 2361.40 で終えた。株式市場は利益確定の売りに押され、また米連邦準備理事会 FRB のバーナンキー議長が景気後退の可能性を示唆したことで反落しました。今朝発表された3月の ADP 全米雇用リポートで、非農業部門の雇用者数は前月比8000人増と市場予想より増加しました。4月4日金曜日に発表される3月のアメリカ雇用統計で雇用者数が予想を上回る可能性が出ています。ニューヨーク外国為替市場での終盤でドル売りが強まりました。ドルの買い戻しの動きも一服、ユーロドルは 1.57 ドル台に上昇しました。それではブラウンブラザーズヘラメンのメイク・ブラウンさんとのインタビューをご覧ください。
Given that we've heard a bleak outlook on the U.S. economy from Bernanke's testimony today, let's start out broad and give us your outlook for the U.S. economy for Q2.
Okay. It's absolutely right. The U.S. economy, the data have been weak, and it looks as though that'll continue into Q2. But we, and also Bernanke, expect things to pick up in the second half. That's encouraging. And also at this point, I think the market's priced in a lot of that negative news. The test will be the non-farm payrolls on Friday, because so far we haven't had a tremendous reaction to weak data over the last few days. The dollar's actually strengthened. Today's testimony by Bernanke, too, although he was negative on the economy in the short term, I don't think he said anything new, and it reinforces that feeling the Fed may just hike another 25 to 50 basis points.
Well, Meg, now that you've given us your brief assessment for what we can expect to see in the U.S. economy, let's start out with dollar yen and how yen has been falling based on strength in equities. The pair broke above 100 yesterday, and it has continued to climb in the New York session today. But given that we have a new fiscal year for Japan and more renewed carry trade interest, where do you see dollar yen headed in Q2 as well as ahead of non-farm payrolls?
I think ahead of non-farm payrolls, the dollar yen may have moved as much as it's going to in the very short run. There are a couple of factors here, just short run factors. One, a number of momentum traders, which are shorter term traders, betting that things would deteriorate and that you would therefore buy yen, which has a high current account surplus compared to other countries. People have been buying yen for a while, and they were really, the speculative market on the IMM was at near record long against the yen. So then you start to have some improvement or some sense that the credit markets are improving. And so we've seen this correction in dollar yen. The other factor is that it is the start of the fiscal year, as you said, and it appears that there is some interest on the part of Japanese investors in buying overseas assets. So we have reduced risk aversion, we have the market short, and then we have some demand from Japanese investors for dollars and euros. So that's what's led to this.
Okay, Meg, well, now that we've covered dollar yen, let's shift our focus over to euro dollar. In yesterday's session, we saw the euro decline against the U.S. currency, and there was some talk of the dollar bottoming against the euro. But we've also been seeing softening eurozone data, and the monetary policy of the ECB and FOMC is very divergent, given that the ECB is more concerned about inflation. So fundamentally and technically, what will be the drivers of your dollar
in the quarter?
Yes.
This is a very critical point, because we have a very weak U.S. economy, and the German economy, which is the largest economy in Europe, has held up fairly well, but the other countries haven't. Italy appears to be in recession. Spain is soft. France is somewhat firm, but there are also some weak data. And now we've started to get some signs that the German economy may be weak. We just had very weak retail sales. So our view was that the European economy would weaken over the coming quarters, and as the U.S. economy bottomed out, which meant that the growth differentials would start to swing in favor of the U.S., and that would be one reason why the dollar would bottom out. The second reason is that we do think the Fed is nearing the end of its rate-cutting cycle. And the ECB is still very hawkish. They do have high inflation, high money supply, but we do think that as the economy weakens, they're going to move closer and closer to a dovish stance, and that ultimately they'll cut rates in Q3 and then continue with a few more cuts. Those two factors alone, we think, will help swing the dollar. We really believe the dollar is carving out a bottom. We think the euro is near high.
以上、ブラウンブラザーズハレメンのメグ・ブラウンさんとのインタビューでした。フォーレックス TV ニューヨークのレミがお伝えしました。最新の為替情報についてはフォーレックス TV ジャパンをご覧ください。